Hey friends, welcome back to some more Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we're making my favorite ones, Fruity Pepper treats. Now let's get started. Alright, first we're going to put the butter into the pot, the hot one. But first I gotta do that and ta-da! Alright, now we're putting the marshmallows in the hot pot. Oh, my bad. Alright. Oh god, this is really hot.
What are you doing now, Troy?
Stirring it.
Okay.
Alright, now that we have the marshmallows and the butter in, I'm gonna add the Fruity Pebbles. It's gonna be. Uh-oh. That was my bad. My bad. Alright, now that our Fruity Pepper is ready, we can butter the dish. Okay, this is gonna be hard because of the butter is falling off. Alright, we have our Fruity Peppers into the butter dish. Now the Fruity Peppers are covered with plastic, we can put it in the fridge. We're going to wait for the Fruity Peppers in the fridge for 30 minutes and then we can eat. Yum. Let's check the Fruity Peppers. Looks good. Now alright, now here's our Fruity Pepper treats. Looks monstery good. And I think I should try one. They look delicious and taste delicious. So guys, I think this is a good time to end out the video here. It's been so fun to do this with y'all. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!